Hello, it's Taro from Thomas Bird Shoes, and in this video we'll be talking about luxury leather bags. I'm very pleased to say that we've launched a new range of leather bags. We have 3 different styles. They're all made from very high quality, soft and supple tumble grain leather with subtle branding, classic styling, and they're also very practical. This is our messenger or briefcase. We have this in 4 different colours, here in black, also tan, in blue and in brown. They're all very soft and supple in tumble grain leather with the embossed Thomas Bird logo here on the front. If we take a look inside this messenger bag, you can see we have a magnetic button strap there, which will secure a compartment large enough to hold a MacBook. Inside there's plenty of room for any notepads, along with a zip compartment for smaller items and a magnetic button front compartment here for documents or smaller electronic devices. This is our tumble grain tan leather. You can see it has beautiful contrast stitching, detachable fabric straps with a leather shoulder strap, a full-length opening across the top, and compartments inside. Moving on, we have a selection of rucksacks or backpacks, again in the same supple material. We have this available in 3 colours, in blue, in tan and also in brown. They have adjustable straps at the rear, a pull loop at the top. The logo is embroidered and embossed here very subtly at the front of the backpack. Over here we have our weekend bag or Holdall. It's available in 3 colours, in brown, in navy blue and also in tan. It features a padded leather top handle with detachable shoulder strap, a full-length zip and buttoned expandable straps here on the side. Again, it features the subtle Thomas Bird embossed logo on the front, and this is a beautiful practical bag for those long trips away. All of our bags are available in our most popular Thomas Bird colours to match the shoes and also the belts that we have on offer. If you're interested in knowing more about the specification, the construction and the workmanship that goes into making our bags, then please visit our website. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comment section below. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.